Is a cheetah chasing us?
No.
Grizzly bear?
What?
Enemy warrior?
Who are you?
I'm your prehistoric instincts. And if we're not about to die, why are we running?
Because it's good for me, and Samsung Health is helping me stick with it. It runs an AI now.
I don't know what any of this means.
Take it all. Take it all. Take it all. We need to gain body fat for warmth.
I've actually been trying to manage my weight
By loading up on fried chickens?
by overcoming my instincts every once in a while.
What? Who? Me? How?
With Samsung Health, it analyzes my body and helps keep me on track.
This hurts. Nightfall. So many fears to fear.
The only thing I'm afraid of, getting bad sleep. Hey, you up?
Try not to be.
You know, a good day starts with a good night.
Good night.
I can track my sleep cycle in 4 different stages more accurately because it uses an advanced machine learning algorithm. So I know how much deep sleep and REM I'm getting. Or even if I have sleep apnea. And all that later is safe and secure.
I didn't know you could keep this up for, wow, 5 hours.
I did.
Stress levels low, sleep is good, great HRV, activity levels are up.
Come on, let's go again.
Again? I think I get it now. It's hard to live a healthy life if you're just following your same old instincts.
Sure. But if you start making small, healthy choices, it can lead to life-changing progress.
Yeah, but how do you even... Oh, yeah, Samsung Health. Those are right there. I wonder what will come next.
Who knows?